How to delete Google Photos permanently from PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Photos permanently from PC. First, open Google Photos on your PC by navigating to photos.google.com. Then, select the photos you want to delete by clicking on them. Next, click on the delete icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on Move to Bin to move the selected photos to the bin. Now click on Bin from the left side dashboard to open the bin. Next, click on Empty Bin to permanently delete all items in the bin. Finally, click on Empty Bin again to confirm the permanent deletion. And that's it. You have successfully deleted Google Photos permanently from your PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.